Introduction to THDPM1, Part 1, Connections. So THDPM1 is a single phase energy analyzer showing you all the electrical parameters plus THD of voltage and current. So you can see the source load connection which we can see on the user manual. So 2 wires are coming in and 2 wires are going out. This is the source load connection. Now here we are using a 4 watt LED bulb as a load and giving this demonstration. So this is a LED lamp and expected to have. Now you can see that when a LED bulb is connected, it is showing you the voltage, current, wattage, PF, frequency as well as the THD of voltage and current. It is also showing the model which we have selected and the pass-fail status based on the limits. Harmonics. Presently we are seeing 3rd, 5th and 7th harmonic, and pressing the up button we can go to up to 55th harmonic for voltage, and on the next page we can see, if we press the next page button, we can see the current harmonics. Similarly, it is showing as value of the harmonics as well as a graph. There are 3 pages on THDPM1 which are main page, voltage harmonic and current harmonic. Now I will show you how to see spectrum. You press the up button for 5 seconds and then leave it. So it starts calculating the spectrum of the load, that is the LED bulb here. It calculates the spectrum 3 at a time and it calculates the spectrum up to 55th harmonic. It shows the voltage percent, current and current percent. By pressing the up button you can see or note down all the values of the spectrum. This is the case of international standards where limits are placed on individual harmonics also. You can see that up to 55th harmonic table. Now by pressing the next button again, we go and see the THD spectrum, the current THD spectrum as a graph. Similarly, we can see the voltage spectrum. You can see that the current spectrum is significant because of LED bulb. Voltage spectrum has mainly the first harmonic, that is, it's a purely 50 Hz wave. Now I would like to transfer all this data to the laptop automatically without noting it down manually. So I can do that using the USB port provided on the front. This is an optically isolated USB port so that the electrical circuit inside the THDPM1 is isolated with the computer. It is a safety feature. Now I add this USB port, I wire it with my computer, a Windows PC. I open the THD software. It shows a splash screen and I can see the software. Now it's connected. It's connected because I have selected connect automatically using USB port. I can see the green bottom right, it is showing connected. I can see the values. These are the present values which are being uploaded from the THDPM1 to the software. Now I would like to show you other features also, like set point or alarm, where we can set individual upper and lower limits which can be stored on the computer as well as on the meter itself, on the THDPM1 itself, so that the pass fail can be decided on the shop floor. Apart from this, we have a data logging capacity. So I am showing you for spectrum data. We can press the spectrum button. It will acquire the real time data from the THDPM1 and it will show you the main values, the tabulated values, where like if I want to put some comment based on my experience, like the third harmonic is higher, I can just write it down. Any comment I can write. So it helps in generating report later. I can see the same voltage spectrum and current spectrum. I can go to generate PDF, but before that I can change my company name, my name, the model number, and I can press the generate PDF. So before generating PDF, I can set the path where I want to save. So I would like to open the file when it is created. I just press the report and it is saying it's created, and I can see that all the main values are there, the electrical parameters as well as the voltage and current harmonics is the graph, and the table, the voltage percent, current percent table with comments whatever I have added. Now we will see the logging data, how the log data is viewed. So I can go to my directive which I have previously selected, so 10 or 15 minutes ago. I can see all the log data, voltage, current, and PF, wattage, frequency. All the log data with date and time are being logged.